So, okay. So for this one, a cos bx plus c, we need to find the value of a and b and c. So this is 8 pi over 3. Okay. So over here, we can see that 1 is the maximum and the negative 5 is the minimum. So over here, we know that it is translation of uh, negative 2. So the C is negative 2. Okay, because this is a translation of 0, negative 2. And this one is 3. Okay, 1 and negative 2, their difference is 3. Negative 2 and negative 5 is 3. So the amplitude is 3. So A equal to 3. And then we know that the period is actually 360 degree over B, or the 2 pi over B. This one is pi, so this is the period. So the B will be the 2 pi over period. So 2 pi over 8 pi over 3. So this will be the 3 over 2 pi. Okay, no, 3 over 4 pi. Okay, so this one is the 2 over the 8 over 3. So this is 3 over 4 pi. Yes, this is 3 over 4 pi. Okay, so what does this 3 over 4 pi means? Is that over the 360 degree, or the 2 pi here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 over 2 of a circle. No pi here. 3 over 2, 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 complete circle within 2 pi. Okay. So from here, we know that the A is 3, B is 3 over 4, C is negative 2. So the fx equal to the 3 cos 3 over 4x plus c. Okay. And then, so this one actually is the minus 2 here. C is minus 2. Okay, in the exam, you write the value of ABC is enough. Lah. So for me, I just write the fx again. This the fx is not necessary. Lah. Okay. Next, we look at question number 2. So diagram show the graph of fx. Explain why f is a function. So according to the answer scheme, okay, the answer is this is a valid explanation. Okay, valid explanation. So so we need to give a valid explanation, like each value of x is mapped to a unique value of y. Okay, or for me, if I didn't look at the answer scheme, I will say that yes, okay, f is a function because f is a one-to-many relation. Okay, and then yes, f is a function because when we use vertical line test, only one value of y for all value of x, something like this. So what is the vertical line test? So vertical line test is, you imagine you have a vertical line like this. Then from the last point go until the first point until the last point. All along the function, we only touch one point. Then it is a function. It is to 1. So this is the line vertical line test. So vertical line test. So if all 1 point, then it is function. Then it is to 1 relation. Okay, it can be 1 to 1 or many to 1 relation. So how do we know that it is 1 to 1 or many to 1? Okay, we have a horizontal line test. So when we have a horizontal line test, we touch 2 points, then it is many. Okay, so this is the horizontal line test. So 1 point, then it is 1, 2. Then we have many points, then it is many, 2. Okay, so both horizontal, so now both vertical and horizontal, okay, both vertical and horizontal line tests have 1 point only, then it is 1 to 1 function. And when it is 1 to 1 function, then only this have inverse function, the F inverse. Not function, then no inverse for sure. Okay, so this one, if we have the vertical line test, all 1 point. If the vertical line test, they have 2 points, then it is too many. Then this is not a function. Okay, so many point, then this is this many point vertical line test, then no inverse. Okay, so only we all along the vertical line and the horizontal line all touch 1 point, then it is 1 to 1, then only it have inverse function. Okay, so conclusion, this graph, they have 1 point for the 1 to 1, but 2 point for the 1 point for the vertical line test and 2 point for the horizontal line test. So this one is a many to 1 relation. So 1 to many relation. 1 to many, 1 to many, 1 to many. No, I make a mistake here. This is a many to 1 relation. Okay, so it is a many to 1 relation. Many to 1. So it is a to 1. Okay, many to 1. So this is a many to 1 relation. Okay, so since it is many to 1, so it is a function. Okay, many to 1, so it is a function. So to 1 is function. Okay, so for this one, diagram show the graph of this. So we want to find a range. So range, we know that the minimum point is -5 and the maximum point is 1. So the range will be the f between -5 and 1. So the f is -5 and 1 inclusive. So number 4, we need to find the amplitude for this one. Amplitude is 4. Period is 1 over pi over 2 pi over 3. So we have the no. So this one, the value of b is 1 over 3. Then the period will be the 360 over 103. Then it is 1080 degree. Or we have the 3 pi over the 1 over 3. Okay, so the period is the 2 pi over the 103. So it is 6 pi radian.